Hey guys, Taylor Harden here at Funtown RV in Cleburne, Texas, and today we are going to be looking at the OBI Dweller. A little bit about OBI. These are brand new products to us. We're really excited to have them here now. They are 100% US made and manufactured in Arizona. And that is a little bit different than a lot of the other off-road brands that we've seen on the market. A lot of those come from Australia. They get sent here on shipping containers. Inherently there's problems. OBI has took care of all of those issues, and they have dropped some of the highest quality off-road units on the market, and we're super excited to have it. Let's take a look. Here in front, we are going to have our fridge freezer combo from Snowmaster. One of the common threads you're going to see on OBI products is the high quality components that are used. One of the things that we've noticed over the years on some of these off-road units is cheap plastic components. OBI is not having any of that. Everything on these is absolutely top-notch. Big, deep, we can fit everything we need for a weekend trip right in here. We've had this plugged up for about 10-15 minutes, and it is already freezing on this side, cold on this side. Over here, we're gonna have a little bit of prep area for our outdoor kitchen. Gonna have a TV mount, as well as plugs, USB ports, everything we need for a little outdoor entertainment in here. One thing you'll notice on the Dweller is it's got hot and cold quick connects on a number of different places on this unit. Water accessibility is on every side of this unit. Here in the rear of the door side, we're gonna have our outdoor kitchen. Got the stainless steel prep top, slides out to show us our 2-burner stovetop, as well as built-in sink. One of the things you'll notice in a lot of the outdoor kitchens you see, they're gonna be plastic. There's no plastic over here. Got our LED floodlight right here, so nice and dark, we can still see what we're doing, what we're working with. Smooth operation. One thing you'll notice on OBI products is they don't use those cheap little rails. If you'll see here, these are the heavy duty rails. You really got to try to bend and break these things. So here in the back, we have the expandable master bedroom, if you will. Really increases the usable space on the inside of the Dweller. Nice, easy to operate. Normally, a lot of these pop-ups are pretty difficult to use and operate. OBI has simplified the process, made it quick, easy. This was our first time touching these. We had no idea what we were doing, and it took us about 10 minutes. These are all gonna be wired up with 30 amp service. We're gonna have our city water connections. Everything's gonna be tucked in, locked away, flush. Outdoor shower, hot and cold. City water connection for when we're out there boondocking. We're gonna have a portable black water tank from our 3-in-1 shower. And then check out how much storage this has. Deep, wide, everything you're looking for in your outdoor storage. So here in front, normally you would see the propane tanks oriented here in the center. OBI figured out a better way to do it. We're gonna put them on the side. We're gonna give you additional storage space up front. We're gonna put an additional water spigot here in front so we can have water to everywhere we need. We can hook up hoses. Heavy duty chains. There's no simple D-ring clips here. And this is the oscillating coupler hitch, and it is for the serious off-roaders. If you're really out there getting it, this is gonna be the unit for you. So we just checked out what the Dweller has to offer on the outside. We're about to jump on the inside and see what it has going on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Come on. Stairs. Nice little switch. Plenty sturdy. We're gonna have all of our switches, interior, exterior, right as soon as we walk into the unit. So we're here on the interior of the Dweller, and one of the common themes we have with all of our OBI products is ease of operation. Normally to get these pop-ups up, pretty difficult. OBI locks in, we're up and ready to go. Easy peasy. They have also incorporated storage in every nook and cranny of this unit. Everywhere you look, there is a function. Now we have the mattress, which is a queen, still put up because I wanted to show y'all how accessible some of our key components are. Right here, we have access to our inverter, our batteries, most of our wiring, nice and easy to operate. So anytime we're in these type of units, space is one of the biggest things that customers say they need more of. OBI has done a phenomenal job of utilizing all their usable space with the highest quality components. Stepping into our 3-in-1 shower. Hey guys, here in the 3-in-1 shower. Plenty of space to do everything we need to do in here. Again, additional storage, more usable space. Slide these open. We have a light switch as well as access to some of this nose storage. And then we're gonna have more cabinetry, more usable space. We're gonna have our gauges, just like you'd find in a vehicle. From our front tank, rear tank, and gray tank. Access to our fuses, as well as our resets. Gonna have battery disconnect. Gonna have live readings of our voltage and our radio. Radio is gonna have zone 1 and zone 2. That's gonna be inside versus outside speakers, and they do function independently of each other. This is gonna have the HDMI and the aux cable. Thanks for taking a look at the Dweller from OBI with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the video. And as always, the fun starts here.
Thanks for joining us, guys, as we did the walkthrough on that camper, but there's one more thing I want to show you. This is a starter kit right here. So we have collaborated with customers, got feedback, and we put together kits, so whether you're a 30 amp, 50 amp, a fifth wheel or a travel trailer, or even one of our pop-ups, we have kits that we put together to help you out at the campsite on the go. That way you make sure that you don't forget anything. Remember, like, follow, and share. I'm Christopher with Funtown, and the fun starts here.